As the new principal one of Old Morcon Elementary School, may I request Sir Neil to have your oath of office formally in this school. Pakitaas po ang gangang kamay at sumunod sa akin. I, your name, of the position of and having appointed by the STS that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duty of my present position and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines. Hold under the Republic of the that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same. Allegiance to the same. That I will obey the law, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much po, Doc Art. And congratulations, Sir Neil, and welcome.